Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to change system sounds in Samsung Galaxy S22. To change our system sounds, we have to go to Settings, then Sounds and Vibration, and we have here System Sound. First of all, we can change volume of our sound, and we are interested in here System Sound Theme. By default it's Galaxy. We all know the sound. We have a few other options that we can change here. Let's have a calm theme here. Now these sounds will be changed to our theme. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.